Hi, I'm Nic Watt and I'm cooking a Cāntīng style lemon chicken with greens and cashew fried rice in collaboration with Woop. Okay, so we're going to start with chopping our greens. We've got some really lovely bok choy here, tender stem broccoli and some spring onion. So all we're going to do is just take the base off the bok choy and just into about 2 centimetre sections. Really easy. Same approach for this beautiful tender stem broccoli. And then I'll use this probably into about thirds. And then we've got a spring onion. Just take the little curly base off. And then we're just going to go up the spring onion in nice diagonal slices. And we're going to use the white. The white's going to give us that really lovely spring onion flavour. And then the green section will give us that nice bright spring onion green and crunch. And then we have our greens all chopped up, ready for the wok, ready for the pan. Okay, the next stage, we've got some corn flour and 1 egg. Really super easy. This is going to make the batter for our lemon style chicken. Crack the egg, a whisk or a fork. I just use a bowl. I've got a small whisk here. We just want to loosen up that egg. Add the corn flour to make a little bit of a batter in there. And then we've got our chicken breasts here. They'll be nicely marinated. And we're just going to slice these into nice lengths. So length I'm going across the grain, so that'll actually make the chicken a little bit softer. And we'll just mix that chicken into the egg and cornstarch batter. So we're just going to add the broccoli. We'll wok fry that. Add the bok choy. I'm going to add a little bit of oil. Cashews. And then we've got a spring onion. So what we're trying to get is this lemon chicken getting a nice little batter coating on it. So we're looking for this nice, you can hear the chicken bubbling up. And that golden brown batter is coming from the starch and the egg. So you can see that lovely little golden crusty edges that are starting to form. So I'm just draining off some of that excess oil. And then what we want to do is add our lemon sauce. So now we're going to do the plating up. So we're just going to move half of our beautiful cashew fried rice. See all the colour, see the cashew nuts in there, the capsicum, the spring onion. We'll top that with our broccoli, with our soy and our bok choy. So now I've got all the lovely greens and whatnot in there. Our lemon chicken, it's got the beautiful little batter on the edges. And we just sort of build this around nicely. Take a little bit of the sauce, because that's flavour. And finish with the top of the spring onion. And there we have our Cantonese style lemon chicken with greens and cashew fried rice.